You know your cat's still walking on my car.
I think Timmy should wash your car this weekend. That would be good.
Why you don't want me inside your car washing inside your windows? I mean, come on, man. You know I got the problem with my feet. My shoes stink. My shoes smell. I swear, my shoes smell like collard green juice sometimes. Just on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Just around 5 o'clock. You don't want me to wash your car. Whenever it's hot outside, my shoes do not. My feet stink. I'm in the house sometimes. As I get out the shower, I put on my damn sandals. Grandma's like, "Who cooking hot dogs?" I do not have hot dog smelling feet. I do, but just sometimes I don't like to be told that. I know my damn feet smell like old hot dog water. My feet smell like old hot dog water. Yes, I said it.